Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW 3 Series key fob battery. This is a simple task you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having the right battery ensures your key fob functions correctly after the replacement. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This blade is essential for accessing the battery compartment. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot to gently pry open the casing. With the casing slightly open, you can now fully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to force it. You'll see the old CR2032 battery nestled in its compartment. Carefully remove it, noting its orientation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely shut. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in place. Your key fob should now be fully functional. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you easily replace your BMW key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.